We are back again to talk about how you can make more money. Let me hear you. Let me hear you say it.
More money.
More money. So I also have an app that's called GetUpside. This is a passive income app. And if you are not familiar with the term passive income, that means money while you sleep. So pay attention. Money that comes in while you sleep. Through this app, they are partnered with gas stations like Spinks, some restaurants, depending on what city you're at. And all this app does is give you money based off of something you already do. So if they're partnered with Spinks, they want you, through them, to go get gas at Spinks, not at QT, not at Exxon. Well, they might have Exxon on there, I don't know. But whatever gas station they have listed on there for you to go to, they want you to get it from there. And in return, you get cash back based off the amount of gas you get at that gas station. So sometimes I can get 25 cent back per gallon, 10 cent back per gallon, 19 cent back per gallon, 30 cent back per gallon. That's you making money off of something you was already doing for free because you need gas in your car. And it's legit. I've been using this faithfully for the past 6 months since my homie put me on. And the reason it's semi-passive is because you're making money on something you already would have done anyway. Also, for every person you recommend to the app, the referrals you send out, if somebody hops on through your link, if you're already on GetUpside, every time they fill up on gas, you get a percentage. They break bread with you. Every time somebody fills up on gas through GetUpside, through you, because of your referral link, they will send you more money for as long as that person you referred it to is still using the app. They will keep sending you more money. Just like 30 minutes ago, I got a notification saying somebody I sent the app through my referral link filled up on gas, and they sent me 17 cents. Now imagine if you had 300 people or 15 people, however many people you want to tell about it, and they signed up through your link. How much would that be? $5? $20? That's money you didn't have to work for. All you did was tell somebody about it. I mean, yeah, it might not be that much money outside of the money you're making from your job or whatever you do, but that's more money than what you would have had if you didn't get gas through the GetUpside app, which you can find in my link in the description below.
But right here, I kind of wanted to dive more in depth because I feel like you might have wanted a little bit more detail before I let this video continue. So right here, you will see as I open the app that it is showing you what gas stations are nearby and how much cash back you would get based off of which grade of gas you would use, whether it's mid, premium, or regular. Then it will open up the map and give you the GPS location on how to get to this gas station near you based off which one you chose, if it has the most cash back based off the gallons you get, if I'm making sense. Then you pull up to this gas station. You put a claim on the gas station and it'll show you the limited amount of time you have to get there before it times out. Then you just, after you fill up on gas, you keep the receipt, make sure you get a receipt. If you don't get it at the pump, go inside and get the receipt out of the gas station from the cashier. Unless the app offers the in-bank check-in thing, but you'll see that later when you play around with it. Make sure you have the receipt, take a picture of the receipt, and then right here, your money will upload into the thingy, into the piggy bank wallet thing. And then you have the option of either having that money sent to you in a check, sent to you through PayPal, Or you can cash out in any of these digital stores over here through a digital card or whatever. I just want the money. I don't use any of those digital cards, but do you? This is money I wouldn't have had if I didn't use GetUpside to get cash back on something I was already doing. So this is easy money. And to get to the referral link, just open the same thing I did to get the piggy bank. Go to my referrals, and then just have fun and send it out to whoever you think would use it. Then you'll start to see cash back flow in as they get gas too. And they can do the same thing you did over and over and over and over. I just wanted to take a few minutes to dive more in depth before we get further into the video, just to make it make more sense for you guys that come across this video. Okay, I'm done. And by the way, if you notice that it wasn't 25 to 15 cents, 30 cents or whatever, it's only 60 to 50 something cents for me because I have a partnership with Instacart through the GetUpside deal they have with each other. That's the only reason my cash back is that high right now. Just to let y'all know. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there. The only thing that keeps you from making more money outside of the traditional ways you see other people doing it is ignorance. And ignorance doesn't mean you're stupid. Ignorance just means that you don't know. How can you have a come up? How can you find another hustle? How can you find another side income? How can you do these things you want to do when you don't educate yourself, when you don't know? Sometimes some of these things you learn, you might not learn from school. Sometimes you got to learn from somebody who's a close friend of yours, or if you come across a video like this on YouTube. And I'm gonna give it to you. I'm giving it to y'all straight raw. No BS, no beating around the bush, no extra unnecessary stuff put in my video just to make it longer so I can make more money. I like explaining things to the point, I keep spitting, to the point, to the letter, in a way that you guys understand. That way it doesn't come off so complicated. Like I see some of these other videos where people are talking about the same thing, and it comes off so complicated that you kind of turn me off to the idea of even trying something out, and then I'm left out, or I think that it's just some bull somebody's putting up just to have content for their page because of all the other things I've already tried that don't actually pay me any money. It just makes me take some pointless survey or takes me through a whole bunch of 3 to 4 or 5 loops of ads or games, and I don't even get anything. Everything that I recommend to y'all off of this page or off of my social media in any kind of way, I wouldn't tell y'all about it if I wasn't using it myself. If I haven't tried it out myself, if I haven't got paid myself just from utilizing the things that I'm telling you about, I wouldn't tell you about it. I wouldn't share it with my family. I definitely wouldn't do a video on it if I haven't tested it out myself. But enough of my babbling. It's just something else I wanted to share with y'all. If you didn't already know about it, or if you just wanted to find out a little bit about it, help you come off something that you're already doing anyway. Make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button. If I find out about anything else that could possibly make y'all some money that anybody can do, I'll be sure to tell you about it. I just like to help. Hope you guys have a good week. I holla at you. Peace.